Hello guys, this is Neil Gonzalez. These winds are very strong, very dangerous for outdoor activities. And look at this. Winds are gusting past 35 miles per hour. Look at that. High wind advisories in effect. This is crazy. I mean, these winds are blowing me. It feels like 80 miles per hour winds. I'm not playing. Cortland Park is having the worst gale winds of all. These winds are gusting so hard I can't even breathe. It's so dusty outside. 30 inches of dust. These winds are not playing. Look at that. And dust. All you're seeing is dust. This is a gale warning. High wind advisory is in effect. Wind advisory. Winds are gusting past 35 miles per hour. Look at this shit. This is crazy. Hope Neil Gonzalez, my friend, is oh my god. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. I'm right now I'm trying to take pictures as I can with my phone to share for the news. But these winds are going too powerful. My camera is like flying all over to it. Oh my god! Oh my god, I can't breathe! Oh my god! Damn, these winds! These winds are not playing Cortland Park. Cortland Park is going to have, this isn't in the Weather Channel, 30 inches of very strong dusting winds. Very strong dusting winds. Holy crap. Yo, these winds are not playing. These winds feel like tropical storm force winds. Now the winds momentarily got quiet again. Not as quiet. These are gale force winds. And these winds are not playing. Now, Neil Gonzalez, I hope you're watching this video. I am really momentarily freezing. It feels like 10 degrees in this area. These winds are so powerful. You can't even imagine how strength it is for this Cortland. Look at this. Look at that. Now it's going up to 50 miles per hour. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. Holy shit. I can't breathe. I can't freaking breathe. I can't fucking breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. No, seriously, guys, I'm not playing. I know people are gonna comment like, oh, what big deal? I can't breathe. It's too much dust. You saw that. Holy shit. Holy shit. You saw. Oh my god. Now these winds are not really, these winds are not playing around. These winds are very serious, everyone. These winds are blowing my camera really hard. Now I'm gonna make a video test of how oh my god, I can't breathe. I can't fucking breathe. I can't fucking breathe. It's freaking cold. Working so hard in this weather. Oh my god. Yo, these winds. Look. As you were thinking about the National Weather Service, one tree branch has fell. Yo, it's freaking cold outside. And what's really stupid is that my mom is letting my cousin go to school when these winds are blowing. These winds feel like you could tell the winds of the strength. That one tree branch fell. Those are tree limbs. Now I'm going to show you the part when it gets very windy often. My eyes, I'm feeling like crying. Damn. I've never seen a gale winds like this powerful before. This is the first day that I ever saw a gale winds like this big. Intruding that glass that just fell. Look at this. That is so powerful. Oh my god, I can't breathe. I can't fucking breathe. I keep saying effing because it's so freaking cold. It feels like 25 degrees, but the real feel of it is 10 degrees. Yo, it doesn't feel like winter out. This is the last day of super cold front typhoon winds. Devastating winds. With the sun out. Clear sky out, blizzard conditions. For our area, it will feel like blizzard winds. Jesus Christ. Oh, finally the wind stopped. Except for that. That area is just going ham with those winds. Seriously guys, I'm freaking cold. I am freaking cold. Look at my eyes. My hands are frozen. Hands are frozen. Hey, at least the sun. This is not high pressure, everyone. Just to tell you that, even though it's sunny outside, these are not high pressure. This is low pressure. Look at that. Hope you guys like this video. To be concluded, and bye. To be concluded, everyone. More videos. Well, not more videos. Maybe one more video because I can't stay here for long because my eyes hurt. If you guys like this video, and bye.